How to activate Microsoft 365 subscription. Install Microsoft 365 but can't use all the features yet? It's time to activate your subscription and unlock the full potential. Open an Office app. Let's use Microsoft Office itself. A window will appear. If you bought the product key and go to Office, over here at the top you can see a diamond icon. If you tap on it, there you can see the subscription they have, monthly and yearly. Which one do you want? A 1% subscription or $99.99 for a month for 2 to 6 people? Which one you want? Make sure you tap on it and then they will take you directly to your card details. Enter the card details and then you're good to go for a pro version